What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. You guys can tell I am so excited because regardless of the situation, Kaspa is pumping. That is one how do I say it? One big news. So yeah, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the market performance. After that, we'll check at prices in details. And right after that, we'll look at our positions to see if we are going up, are we going down. Oh man, it is exciting, when your asset is pumping, it's exciting. But I still have some question marks, okay? Anyways, before we do that, let me set this down. Guys are getting confused, okay? You guys are getting confused when I tell you guys like I'm not convinced with the pump that Kaspa is having right now. Okay, but let me clarify the air. I will show you in a minute. Kaspa is in a channel, okay? We're still creating lower highs on that channel. You understand? That's why I'm telling you guys that you should be careful, okay? If you are going to enter leverage trades, you should be careful because everything, you guys already know how the market works. A lot of people are still thinking, come on, excuse me, let me say this. A lot of people are still being very bullish because Trump is coming into the office next week, okay? But again, like I'm telling you guys, everything depends on what Bitcoin does. Because Kaspa, yes, Kaspa is gonna pump, but I keep telling you guys, it's in 2 weeks, not now. It's in 2 weeks. Great, it is pumping. I'm happy because my bags are going up. My other leverage positions that I have on it, you guys already know my 50x leverage on Bydfi and and the Phemex, they are like skyrocketing. So, but still, I am telling you guys, if you look at the charts, okay, look at the volume, the pump that we're having right now is not, how do I put it? It's not making any sense. Okay, it's not making any sense. I think it is just following what Bitcoin is doing. That's why I'm telling you guys, like, once Trump comes into office, we are going to see. We're going to see. If Kaspa can break above 18 cents, then yes, it is legit. But still, when you look at it on the weekly time frame, monthly time frame, Kaspa still bearish. It is almost there. Like I said in my other video, okay, I said it is almost there. Okay, excuse me, it is there. Like just 20 more percent, just 20% more for it to completely reset on the RSI and the MACD. Okay, it has already started turning pink, but yet when you look at the volume still flashing. Sometimes it goes red, sometimes it's come back green. So that is, in the market, that means indecision. Okay, so excuse me, that means that as the price is going up, it might be swing traders. Okay, the market make, I'm telling you guys, these market makers, they are very sneaky. They are going to put that candy in your mouth as soon as everybody get euphoric. They're going to pull it off. That's what I think is happening. So I am telling you guys, if you wasn't in a trade before the pump started, in a long and in a leverage trade, or if you're going to do it, at least scale it up. Make sure your liquidation is below 10 cents or even below 9 cents. Because guys, okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, let me show you right quick. See, again, I'm going to use my computer. You guys going to excuse me. See the volume? Look at that volume. See? Green, red. Green, red. It still, it does not, that means it is indecisive. People are not this, they don't really like they haven't decided yet, because everybody, I'm pretty sure I am not the only one looking at this situation. Look at the Bollinger Bands. Look at the entire Bollinger Band. See, it's curving downwards. See right here, this is the same thing that I showed you guys the other day. See the situation here. I think it might be the same situation happening right now, right here. Because look, guys, it was curving down. Look at the price. Price went up. I think we pumped around 4 or 5 cents. That's Kaspa went up 4 or 5 cents before it dropped all the way down. So yeah, when you look at this, okay, and you see this, this is something that is telling me, okay, yeah, it is good we are pumping, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. This is I don't know how to say this. And another thing, again, if you look, Bitcoin, okay, on the monthly has a bearish divergence on the monthly. That's another thing that makes me think like, okay, I have to be cautious on this, okay? Unless Bitcoin pumps above $110,000, that bearish divergence is still in effect. Okay, so yeah, like I'm telling you guys, people, what they are doing, they are front running Trump office office entry or whatever. That's what they are doing. Everybody's buying whatever because they are thinking like once Trump comes in, executive order is gonna get that right away, and Bitcoin is gonna run to 150,000. You guys remember the same situation happened when Trump won the elections? Do you remember that day that they were announcing elections, when they were saying who is the president is going to be? Before the Trump election, there was a massive crash, right? As soon as Trump got announced that he's the real president, Bitcoin pumped, and not even long after that, a massive crash. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm telling you guys. I'm not bearish on Kaspa. I am the biggest Kaspa maxi ever. But one thing that is more important to me, like I've always told you guys, okay, I rather miss an entry than losing money. As a trader, I do not like to lose money. Yeah, even if it goes above 20 cents and I didn't have that new entry, okay, I will still wait, try to find another entry and still make money. So, come on. So that's what I'm telling you guys here. That's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, it is pumping, but we're still creating lower highs. Kaspa needs to break above 18 or even 19 cents to create, what was the all-time high? 20 cents, I think. We need to break 20 cents to create a higher low. You understand? Until that happens, we still running, I'm sorry about that. Until that happens, we are still running the risk of dropping back down, because again, this could be the buy the rumor. People are buying Kaspa because of the Trump office entry, buy the rumor and sell the news. You understand? Look at Bitcoin right now. Again, Bitcoin is struggling with that 100K, which again, to me, I think is going to pump. I think Bitcoin is going to go up to that 108 or 110 and still drop. That's what I think will happen. Again, so yeah, it is good to see the asset that you want. We all love, like Kaspa. It is good that it's pumping. But the real catalyst for Kaspa pumping is coming in 2 weeks. Therefore, from now to those 2 weeks, a lot can happen. A lot, very lot can happen. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, please be careful, because I've seen this happen so many times. So many times I've seen it happen. Just like I just showed you guys, okay? Look at the MACD, look at the RSI. Again, that thing is still like 20 or I think it was 35% from the bottom. So yeah, I have my 2 positions open, which I show you guys every day. Those are still open. I have a 50x position open, and I've been adding to my spot account on Kaspa regardless of the price, okay? But again, this is my millionaire journey. We are in the business excuse me. We are in the business of making money, not losing it. And that means sometimes you have to be patient. Okay? Sometimes you have to let it run and come back. Sometimes you have to sit on the sideline and really watch. Because another thing again that I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you this. If you go to the Bitcoin or liquidation maps, the past 4 months, okay, the past 4 months have the highest liquidations, the highest liquidations in Bitcoin history. And what does that do to the altcoins? Altcoins are even worse, the liquidations. So yeah, you guys will excuse me, but I'm not here to make people happy and hype the coin. I love Kaspa. I've said it so many times. Kaspa is better than Bitcoin in all aspects. Okay? But one thing I will not do is sit here and lead a lot of you guys that watch my videos believe something that I don't. I've said you guys who watch my videos, you guys know when I see a pump that I really believe in, I usually say, yeah, we's going up. I usually see it. But like I will say it again this time, I think it's public sentiments. It's because Trump is coming into office. People are buying anything and everything that has the name of crypto on it. Okay? And once Trump gets into the office, when Trump gets into the office, let's just hope that it is not it's not a hot potato. Let's just hope that they are not going to drop it on your hand. Although for me, if you are buying on spot, that is perfect. But if you are, come on. But if you are leverage trading, that is why I'm telling you guys to be careful. Okay, be careful, guys, because the market is too euphoric, guys. It's too euphoric. Something is not right somewhere. The market is too euphoric. And then when you look at Kaspa, there is no actual catalyst to support this price action yet. There's no actual catalyst. The catalyst to support the pump that I'm talking about that is going to happen in 2 weeks is that Binance is going to start listing Kaspa. And normally, when an asset is getting listed on Kaspa, it usually starts pumping 2 weeks before the listings, or a week and a half before the listings. That's what I'm telling you guys. Kaspa being on Binance, the pump of that will start in a week and a half or 2 weeks, something like that. Okay, and the crescendo upgrade that comes sometime after that will also amount to that. And another thing again, on the 28th of this month, we are going to have the Fed FOMC meeting. A lot of people are expecting different, but I think they're going to hold. I think that's what is going to happen. And that right there, guys, is another catalyst. That's why I'm telling you guys that the pump that will happen in 2 weeks, on a week and a half, that is the real deal. But anything from there that is happening now, it is sometimes like it's hard for me to explain it. But if you've been in the market for a while, you will understand the buy the news, the buy the rumor and sell the news effect. The same thing is happening right now with XRP. Okay, a lot of people are buying XRP left and right. They thought first like, oh, the SEC wasn't going back to appeal. But what happened? The last minute, they appealed. And a lot of people are doing the same thing now. They think once Trump comes into the office, they are going to drop the cases against XRP and everything will be thrown to the drain and all that stuff. So they are front running the market. Okay? So, come on. So, yeah, that's what is going basically, that's what's going on. Okay, that does not mean I am bearish on Kaspa. I am never bearish on Kaspa. You guys already know that. But I'm telling you, if you are going to leverage trade Kaspa, be careful, because it might be buy the rumor, sell the news event. That is what it might be. And yet, another thing again, go look at the what you call it, the Bitcoin itself. Look at the Bitcoin chart. It is pumping while it's printing that bearish divergence, while it is in that falling channel, which again, the resistance at that 100, it can even go up to 103 and still fall back down. So yeah, it is a lot of things in the market that are making me, I want to open another new trade for Kaspa, but I want to wait. I'm going to wait. So yeah, we might get lucky, let it go, continue going. But again, I want to see how the market is going to react after the Trump administration starts, after Trump's get into the office. If Bitcoin does a dump and this holds and pumps Kaspa up above 20 cents, yeah, we are good. But again, keep an eye on that MACD, keep an eye on that RSI. Like I just showed you the volume. Volume is still not supporting the pump. It's still not making sense that Kaspa has pumped almost, what, 5 cents? Yeah, almost 5 cents. And the volume still not supporting. The volume is still low. Okay, so that is something that, yeah, it is, that is something that, yeah, normally when Kaspa pumps, we usually see a volume traded around that $500 million, right? But so far, the volume, when you look at it, is going in between 80 to 130, 80 to 130 million dollars. So yeah, that's another thing that is making me to be cautious. Okay, so again, I'm not bearish on Kaspa. I am a Kaspa maxi. I like Kaspa to pump, but again, I care about you guys. Okay, so therefore, that's why I'm telling you, if you are going to buy on spot, great, that is good anytime. No, doesn't matter the price that Kaspa is, as long as you are buying Kaspa below $1, that is a great idea. But if you are going to leverage trade, guys, that's why I'm saying be careful, because the indicators are showing bearish signs. And again, people are so greedy right now. I remember I usually tell you, for you to leverage trade, MACD, RSI, moving what do you call it, moving averages. you guys already know, okay, the moving averages, and most important of them all, people's sentiments. Because when everybody's bullish, the market usually drop the hammer. When everybody's bearish, the market usually go up. So yeah, be careful. That's what I mean when I tell you guys, like, there is a chance that Kaspa could come back down to visit that 10-cent level. That's why I'm telling you that, because everything else is pointing that way. Yeah, we might pump 15, 16 cents and still drop, because we've seen that scenario before. So yeah, please, I'm saying this because again, the worst thing that can happen to a trader is to get liquidated. If you're buying on spot, you are good. But if you are leverage trading, okay, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's why I'm saying that, and that's why I've been saying this for the past couple of days, to be careful with this Kaspa's price action. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. Anyways, now let's go check out the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, let's go look at that right quick. Let's look at crypto bubbles. Right here, crypto bubbles. There. See, everybody's bullish. What just happened yesterday? You guys remember when you look at yesterday and everybody was bearish? Look at that. Look at the monthly. Monthly has not reset yet. So yeah, let's see what happens. That's the only thing I can say. Let's see what happens here, because even on the monthly, Bitcoin is not showing up. Kaspa is not showing up. Okay, but you look at things like XRP is showing up here, XDC is showing up here. And the funny thing is that all these coins that are showing up on the monthly are the coins that have issues or lawsuits or whatever with the SEC. That's very funny. But anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick, see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours, like I just said. Let's go first with King Kaspa. Okay, let's go here. I'm gonna take Kaspa, KAS, right there. For the past hour, Kaspa is down. Excuse me. Come on. For the past hour, what the? I'm sorry, I apologize about that. For the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.8%, 8.3% up on the day, 29.9% up on the week, 5.6% up on the month, and 35.1% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $3.82 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $128.47 million. You see what I'm telling you? The volume, when we usually see Kaspa pump, that volume usually be around $300 to $500 million. But well, let's see. I'm still gonna wait. Let's see. Like I told you guys, in the next 48 hours, we about to see. But anyway, now let's go look at Quant QNT here. For the past hour, Quant is up 1.1%, 4.5% up on the day, 15.9% up on the week, 8.3% down on the month, and 8.1% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.75 billion and a 24 hours volume traded sitting at $58.01 million. Now looking at Jasmine, JAS, with here, Jasmine is down 0.3% the last hour, 1.2% up on the day, 0.2% up on the week, 25.6% up on the month, and 549% up in the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.5 billion and a 24 hours volume traded $152.29 million. Now looking at Cubic, let's see, they have very high risk, high rewards. Cubic is up 2.5% up the last hours, 0.9% down on the day, 1.4% up on the week, 38.5% down on the month, and 11.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $294 million and a 24 hours volume traded sitting at $9.24 million. Now let's go look at the prices in details right quick. Okay, we're gonna start first with King Kaspa, because like you guys already know, Kaspa is the king. So let's go here. Kaspa, excuse me, let it load. As you can see, we are on the daily. Okay, right now Kaspa is battling that. Let me bring out my arrow right quick. Let me bring my arrow here. So far, Kaspa is battling that important resistance. Let's see if we can close above this resistance and turn it into a support, which is sitting around 14.2, 14.3 cents. That's what we're battling right now. So far, again, as you can see, the ribbon still hasn't turned yet. It's still red. That's another thing I keep telling you guys to be careful about, because price has pumped and yet the ribbon hasn't turned red. The moving average is still coming downwards. But anyways, yeah, let's see how this thing plays out. Okay, but anyways, let's go to the 4 hourly right quick. I think the 4 hourly should give us some little bit more of sense of what's going on. Okay, on the 4 hourly, you can see Kaspa has broken above that. Okay, but it needs to come back to retest it, turn it into support, and then blast off. Just the same thing like it did here. This was resistance. It broke above it, it came back, turned that into support, and then blast off. So yeah, we need to see it come back, touch it, and keep on going before hitting that important resistance that we have up there again at 15.816 cents on a dollar. So yeah, so far everything looks good. So yeah, you better watch out on your leverage positions to see, because I'm telling you guys, if it is that buy the rumor, sell the news event, this thing is going to come crashing back down. Okay, so now you're looking at the 4 hour, the 1 hourly. Let me go on the 1 hour right quick. Okay, it looks like 1 hour has already started. Like I'm telling you guys, I think it's going to come back to retest, use that as a support, and bounce up from there. I think that's what is going to happen right now. Or else, if something else happens, we're still on a Thursday, so we still have let's see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We still have 3 days before the Trump administration comes in. So let's see how the price is going to react till then. It might keep going up, and hopefully it breaks that 20 cents. If it doesn't, yeah, we are going to create a lower high. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens. But anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT USDT right here. As quant, you can see the last hourly, just like I told you guys will happen. I think that's a no-brainer right there, because I told you guys after we broke this resistance at the 100 some dollars, the next one is going to be 125, and that's what quant has been doing. Right in the ribbon, going up, moving average is below, going up, and then that's the difference between quant and Kaspa right now, because quant has that real catalyst behind it. So, but it is going okay. So yeah, let's see what happens next. We need to break 125 and turn that into support, and then keep going higher. If you go on the 4-hourly, let's look here. 4-hour again. See, quant now on the 4-hourly ribbon is about to cross with the moving average, which now is another bullish sign for quant. So yeah, I'm still waiting for it to break that $125 range. Once it breaks it, next target, you guys already know, 150. And after that, we have another major target, which is 164. We need a daily candle close above 164 for quant to start looking at that all-time high. Okay, so now let's go look at Jasmine. Jasmine, I told you guys, Jasmine is just copying Bitcoin, because you guys already know, for some reason, Jasmine's price action is very tight with Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine dumps. Just that's what's happening. Look at this right now. Okay, that's the 4-hourly, but let me show you something right quick. If you look at BTC USDT, Bitcoin USDT. See, Bitcoin came down, Jasmine came down. But the problem here, you guys already know, if Bitcoin comes down even 1%, altcoins always come down even harder. So as you can see, that's what's happening right now. As Bitcoin pumps, Jasmine is also going to pump. But as it comes down, as you can see, a couple of 2 or 3 hours ago, Bitcoin came back down to like $96,000 or something like that. Because I'm telling you guys, they said that big resistance at 100,000. But let's see. Let's go back to Jasmine, JASMY. USDT right here. So yeah, that's what's happening with Jasmine. Okay, so Jasmine again on the weekly, there's still those bearish signs. I can show you right now, right quick. Let me go here. I'll show you something right quick on Jasmine. Here. Let me turn this. Let me turn this, and let me go here. Okay, as you can see, this is Jasmine. Okay, see, we are on the weekly time frame. The same situation, I'm telling you. It is pumping because Bitcoin is pumping. But look at that. Look at the MACD and the RSI. See, MACD is curving downwards. RSI. This is, look at that. Look at the RSI. Sorry. That's what I'm telling you guys. This price action here, I don't know. But when I look at the Jasmine, okay, see what's happening here. I think it's going to be similar to what happened here. Okay, I think it's going to try to break, and then it's going to bounce right back up. Because if you look at the same situation here, see, that's what happened. I think that's the situation that's going to happen. But anyways, let's wait. I'd rather wait on the sidelines before I enter any trade. So I'm going to wait for this thing to confirm first, just like I'm waiting on the sidelines for Kaspa to confirm before I enter new trades. For Jasmine, you guys already know. I already have my trade open. I scaled it up, so whatever price does, I really doesn't concern me that much. I'm just waiting because I want to open another trade on the. Excuse me. Give me a second right here. Let me open that up. There. Yeah, I'm trying to open another trade on Margex. So that's why I'm watching what the RSI, MACD, and everything else is doing. So yeah, let's wait. I'm gonna wait until after Trump get into the office and see if the market is gonna continue rallying or the correction is gonna come after that. But let's wait and see. If it doesn't come down, good. Like I said, I'm happy because I already have positions open. Let it keep on going, and then I'll look for another entry level. But again, if you're buying on spot, that is good. If you're trying to leverage trade, guys, be careful because it might swing. Okay, it might swing. But anyways, these are opportunities in which you can 10, 20, 50, or even 100x your money. Okay, to do that, below I do have my Phemex, my Bydfi, and my Margex links. Sign up using those links that are going to give you free money. Okay, they give you free money. Please, you need to practice. Nobody can teach you how to trade. You need to practice. Try turning $20 into 50, 50 into 100. Try to learn when to add up to your margin, when to take profits, all that stuff. You need to learn. It's always, like I always say, it is always better to do a mistake when you are trading with $20 versus when you are trading with thousands of dollars. Understand? So yeah, have that in mind, okay? And keep in mind, like I said, go look at the charts. The chart, something like they usually say, the chart is your friend until the end. That's why I'm staying on the sideline, watching my other positions go up, which I'm very happy to see them. Like you guys already know, I have over 500,000 Kaspa coins, which my goal is like I'm trying to have at least 5 million. Okay, that's why come on. I'm trying to have around 5 million Kaspa coins. That's why I'm leverage trading. So every profit that I make, I usually go back and buy more Kaspa. That's what I do. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, again, please be careful out there because history is just when I saw that the metrics of the liquidations of longs and shorts, I was baffled that this year, for the past 4 months, which is from October to December, has the highest liquidations in Bitcoin history. And imagine what that will mean for the altcoins. So yeah, please be careful, okay? If you're going to leverage trade this move, be careful. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick, see how we've been doing. Maybe I have a mansion already in Rec City. Anyways, like let's look at my Bydfi. You guys already know here I'm trading quant and Kaspa. Look at my overall. Yeah, my overall is up $18,000 right on the break right now. Okay, which is, like I said, Kaspa pumping. I'm very happy because I'm making money. But anyways, looking at my contracts, you will see here my Kaspa. Look at that. A couple of days ago, this is something I was telling you guys about. Do not look at your position being negative 40, negative 50, or negative 70, because when it starts to pump for real, that thing is going to pump 1,000%. It's going to pump 10,000%. You guys remember my position on Kaspa just 2 days ago? It was down 55 or probably something like that. Look at that today. I am still down, but it's just 15%. 15% down, which is $1,000. Look at my quant. I am up 24%, which is $2,005. See what I'm telling you about? That's why any exchange that will let me scale up my position, I don't look at the market price. I get in. And I'm telling you guys, if you're going to get in, please scale up your position to make sure that your liquidation points are very, very low. As you can see, I am a very aggressive trader. Okay, you see that? I trade at 50x. And look at my liquidation, 6 cents. 50x on quant, look at my liquidation, $41. $41. So yeah, even if price swings, we are not going that low. So yeah, you need to be very, very careful when you are leverage trading. Much more when everything looks the way it looks right now. Okay, so yeah, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On Phemex, you guys already know that is where I trade Jasmine and of course Kaspa, because again, I am a Kaspa maxi. I'm very, very bullish on Kaspa. As you can see, on my overall also I started to go up. I am up today 13,262. Okay, if you look at my contracts, you will see that here on Jasmine, I am still down 17%. You guys remember a couple of days ago I was down 30%. See that? That's what I'm telling you guys. Do not look at the negative. Well, as long as you can scale it up. But if you cannot scale the position up, then you have to wait. So yeah, Jasmine, I am still down 17%, which is 1,700. And Kaspa, look at that. My Kaspa is just like Bydfi. You guys remember a couple of days ago, I was down 50 something percent negative. Today, I am still down, but it is 18% down, which is $1,000. Again, please do not trade like me. As you can see, I am a very aggressive trader. 50x leverage, that's what I'm trading. But look at my liquidation. For Jasmine, less than a cent. And for Kaspa, 7 cents. See that? That's what I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? These things, they happen, okay? So, let's go back here. Again, I will say it. Price action is going up, but the charts are showing negative things. They are showing bearish things. So, yeah, if I will repeat myself again. If you are going to buy on spot, the price don't matter. Keep on buying Kaspa if you are buying it before Kaspa reached to $1. Okay? But if you are leverage trading, that is why I'm telling you guys, you have to be careful because the price right now is not guaranteed. It's not, because like I just showed you, the RSI, the MACD on higher time frames, which are weekly and monthly, they are still very, very bearish. Again, this might be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. That's what I'm afraid of. So, as a matter of fact, as you can see in my old positions, that they are still open. But Margex does not allow me to scale up my position. That is why I am waiting on the sideline, because again, I want to open a Kaspa position and a Jasmine position on Margex. Okay, so yeah, do not get me wrong. Okay, I am not bearish on Kaspa. I'm just telling you there's gonna be, it looks like there's gonna be a last shakeout on Kaspa before everything goes. you guys already know the thing. Before everything goes round 5. Money. That's what I mean. Okay, the charts are showing that. Even the Bitcoin chart is showing that. Everything else is showing it, but the price is pumping. That's why, please be careful. There's that sign right there. It is right there that everything they might hand the hot potato for you. Okay, everybody might drop that hot potato. You keep holding it before you might end up holding the hot potato when the whole thing happens. Okay, so yeah, I'm not bearish. No, I'm just telling you, if you're going to leverage trade, don't be left with the hot potato. For me, I'm waiting on the sidelines. I'm going to wait. Let's see what happens in the next 48 hours or something like that. Because again, if it is a buy the rumor, sell the news event, market goes down, and then yeah, there will be an opportunity. If it doesn't come down and it keeps pumping, okay, then yes, I will know. Maybe the charts were wrong. Maybe I was wrong. Then start looking for another entry. But like I told you guys, I am a trader. I am a trader. Losing money is not an option. I rather miss an entry. Excuse me, come on. I rather miss an entry before I lose money. you guys already know that. Here, this is my millionaire journey. We are here to make money. We are not here to lose it. Therefore, yeah, on this one, I'm sitting on the sidelines until the market decides what it wants to do. When it decides, then yes, I will look for an entry on my Margex. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, or share. I would like to know what you think about the situation we're going on right now. Do you think this pump is for real and we are going to the moon? Or do you think there is still a chance that this thing is coming back down before the real takeoff happens? Okay? Anyways, guys, it goes without saying, please don't forget to share so that other people with millionaire minds like you and I can see these videos. And again, like I usually say, you never know what you will learn from somebody else. Okay, you never know. You never know. 6 to 8 months from now, we'll be counting that money. Okay, that being said, guys, for the last time again, thank you for watching my video. Until I see you on my next one, please, please, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.